What's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna hike Crater Lake and I'm gonna bring you guys along with. Let's go. All right, something real quick to take note of. It is the middle of May. And this is what I am looking at. I've definitely gained a lot of elevation. That's the reason for it, but it's crazy, crazy. All right, I have arrived here at Crater Lake. As you can see, I had to parallel park in the middle of the road, which is not my strong suit. But yeah, I believe it's right over this snowdrift here. So we're gonna climb up this and see it, hopefully. Yo. All right, I'm sorry I'm squinting so much, but I have an announcement. I didn't foresee the snow being so packed, and I'm definitely gonna need snowshoes if I'm gonna do this hike I was trying to do. It's called Garfield Point. Yeah, I mean, just looking at that, definitely not gonna happen. It kind of sucks, but you know what, it is what it is. So this might turn into just a little bit of a drone video of me just flying the drone around and just kind of getting some good shots with that. This place is beautiful regardless of the hike, so no worries. All right, I found a possible little route here that I could take up that, maybe get some good views. We'll see. No idea where I'm going, but you know what? I think we'll be all right. Man, you kind of worry about those cornices.
What did he say?
Which is like a layer of snow that kind of drifts up and sneaks back around. So it kind of gives you a false sense of where the edge is, which is how people can fall because they give way. So best to stay away from the edge because of that. See that there? That's what I'm talking about. You can get close to the edge, but in truth, that's just where the snow kind of builds up there. So I find myself standing here and thinking, man, it would be so cool if I could get out to that little island out there. But obviously not an option with the fact that it's an island. So I'm gonna fly the drone out there and I'm gonna flash that footage right now. All right, everybody, that's gonna be it for the Crater Lake video. Obviously this video is a little different in the fact that it was more drone shots, and like I've mentioned, it was just solely because I ended up needing snowshoes when I didn't have any, and I couldn't find anywhere to rent some. So, you know, that's all right though. These views, obviously very worth it. And this place is amazing. It's crazy that we are in the middle of May now, and the snow is like this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like on the video and subscribe if you want to see some more. Peace.